Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to prepare your data for analysis. To analyze any data, we first need to check the data if it is in a proper format or not. We also need to check that if all columns, the header of the data is available or not. If it is not, we need to fill that data manually, or we can check from others who gave us data that what exactly this column name is. Apart from that, if we wanted to sort this data, filtering this data should be continuous, means from above till below, no fields should be available. So as we can see that there is one empty cell, complete empty row is available. So we need to delete that so that from the first to the last we can see that data. Apart from that, we also need to check that if every cell has data or not. Like we see here, we do not have data in the complete row. So either we need to fill it by getting the information from the relevant department or relevant person, or we can remove this data so that the complete analysis can be done on the data.